Maximize your event ROI with Jublia. Presenting Jublia Match, an intuitive meetings application that is facilitated by a personal concierge. Available on all devices as long as you have a working and updated browser. Step 1. Register for the event and remember to do so with your own email address so that our concierge can personally assist you. You will receive an exclusive email invite to participate in business matching. When you do, simply click Get to the list. Step 2. Tell us who you would like to meet, and once you're done, click Load My List. You will then be presented with a list of participants ranked by your interests. To send a meeting request, simply click Meet. Step 3. Click on Options to access your profile, meeting interests, and manage SMS notifications. On Schedule to view meetings, agenda, and confirm available timings. And on Profiles to get to your ranked list of people to meet. Now you're ready to arrange quality and relevant meetings. Remember, not showing up at a confirmed meeting would harm your reputation. If you cannot make it, simply reschedule or cancel your meeting. In any case, do reach out to your personal concierge for any assistance. Happy networking!